Pinkfong.
Choo-la-la-la-la-la.
Subscribe! Hocus, pocus, abracadabra, yeah! That's good.
Brooklyn, we're here.
Oh, you're practicing your magic potions.
You're here. And yes, I'm practicing a magic potion right now. With this potion, our family will become stronger, terrifying, and more awesome. Should I give it a try?
Yes, go ahead.
Do you think something might go wrong, Brooklyn?
Oh, don't you worry. Now come, stand here. Hocus pocus, abracadabra, do-do-do-do-do. Sharky, sharky, alakazam, become stronger, yap! Ah! My family, where is everyone? Mommy? Daddy? Oh, what's going on?
Oh, my body has disappeared.
Oh no, I've turned into an invisible shark.
Uh-oh.
Oh no! My family's bodies disappeared because of me! What should I do? What should I do?
It's okay, Brooklyn. You just need a spell to bring us back. Take a look in the book. There must be a way.
Okay, Grandpa. Let me look for it. I found it! How to bring back your disappeared body. Colored potion, a magic rock, 2 eyeballs, and 1 bone. Bring to a boil and cast your spell. If you don't have eyeballs and bones, look for them in the monster tower.
I think we need to get some stuff from skeleton, witch, and vampire's homes upstairs.
Okay, I'll go get them.
Be careful, Brooklyn. Waking up sleeping monsters can create a big problem. Be very careful.
Okay, Grandpa. I'll be back. Skeleton is asleep. I need to sneak around to find the 4 eyeballs and 2 bones so Skeleton doesn't wake up. If Skeleton catches me, I might get eaten. I found them! 2 eyeballs! Ah, spiders! Oh, there are 2 more eyeballs right here. I found all 4 eyeballs. I just need to find the 2 bones. Where could they be?
I want to eat meat too.
I found the 2 bones too. Let's go make the potion. I found the ingredients to bring you back. A pink potion for Mommy Shark and a blue potion for Daddy Shark. I also need to put in a magic rock. Put in the 4 eyeballs and then the 2 bones. And finally, I need to cast the magic spell. Hocus pocus, bring back Mommy and Daddy's body! Yap!
Can you see me, Brooklyn? Is my body really back?
Wow, that was close.
Mommy! Daddy!
Thank you for bringing us back, Brooklyn. I feel much better.
Thanks to Brooklyn, I got my wonderful body back.
What a relief! Now, to bring back Grandma Shark's body, I'll go to the witch's house on the 3rd floor. The witch is sleeping under the tree. We just need to find 2 eyeballs and 1 bone and get out of here. Let's sneak over to find them. Oh my! I found 1 eyeball. I need to hide. Phew. Wow, I found another eyeball. Lastly, I need 1 bone. Where could it be? The witch is sleeping with the bone in her arms. Phew, we did it. I should go back now. I need to bring back Grandma's body. First, add the orange potion. And also add the magic rock. Next, the 2 eyeballs from the witch's house. I also need 1 bone. And now, I need to cast the magic spell. Hocus pocus, bring back Grandma Shark's body! Yap!
Whoa! I'm back!
Grandma, I missed you!
Brooklyn, you're doing a great job.
Grandpa, I'll get your body back quickly, too! This is Vampire's house. I need to find 2 eyeballs, 1 bone, and 1 set of teeth.
Wait. I smell a delicious shark somewhere. It's not just any shark. This is the smell of baby shark's warm blood. Where are you, baby shark? Come out!
Oh no! I haven't found any of the items yet. Should I just go back? No, I can't. I won't be able to bring back Grandpa's body. I can't give up now. Let's pick up the items secretly. There are 2 eyeballs over there. I need to pick them up quickly. Oh, there's a bone over there. Let's pick it up quickly. Great. Now all I need is 1 tooth. Where could it be? Oh, it's inside the vampire's coffin over there. Let's pick it up quickly. Phew, I got everything. What a relief. I need to get back to my family.
Hello, baby shark. Delicious smell.
Ah! Save me!
Stop right there! My delicious snack!
Phew, I made it! Grandpa, I'll hurry and bring your body back. Put the green potion in. Let's put the magic rock in. 2 eyeballs, 1 bone. And the tooth, too. There. Shall I cast the spell now? Hocus pocus, bring back Grandpa Shark's body! Yuck!
Brooklyn!
Grandpa!
Brooklyn, you did such a great job.
I'm so sorry. I cast the spell wrong. I won't do it again.
That's okay. It was an honest mistake.
Yes, everyone makes mistakes.
Thank you for forgiving me. My family is the best. Hey guys, did you like our video? Don't forget to click subscribe. Search for Pinkfong on YouTube.